Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Ansari Brothers Technology YouTube channel. We are here to present you with a short video on how to install Node version manager in Windows operating system. As you find that to use Node version manager in Windows operating system, we need to install Windows Linux subsystem. So we are directly showing you video to integrate the Node version manager in the command prompt of the Windows OS. So let's begin. Here we have used the Git repository nvm for Windows, and in that we have seen the download page where you can find the latest versions of the NVM Windows. The current version is 1.1.11. Here you can see the assets where their libraries are mentioned. So we have selected nvm-setup.exe to we are downloading it right now, and then as its download get complete, the notification will be shown to you. Click to install, and once the installation is done, we can start using the NVM as we are using it in Linux operating system and Mac OS. So here the installation will begin. You need to just accept the agreement and click on next. So let the default path be there and press 2 times next and click on install. Once the installation get complete, click on finish. Now you have to open the terminal or command prompt in the Windows operating system. We have to run it as an administrator. When it is installed, you can check the installation is done successfully by using the command nvm-v. So that will show you the current version of nvm installed for Windows. So as you know, we have checked in Git that it was 1.1.11. So here it is showing that only. Now going ahead, you can use the nvm command to install different node versions in your operating system locally. So you can use the command nvm install with the specific version. But before using that command, you can see the node version list nvm list. So it will show you the list of installed node versions in your computer. See, as we see, we have just started, so no installation found. So now we can write nvm install with the specific version. Now one more thing, if you want to install the latest version of Node with its npm package manager, so you can use nvm install directly. It will install the latest Node version which is currently going in the market. But if you want to install the specific version, you can use the version number. So this is how it goes ahead, and the like here it is selected 14.17.6 version for installation. Once it is done, it will install its specific npm version also. Installation take a bit time based on your bandwidth or internet speed. So we have successfully installed node a node version of 14.17.6. Now you can also install another node version so that you can see how to use multiple node in one system. So we have selected 16.13.1 for our next installation. Now you can see the list where you can provide the command, like type the command like nvm list, so you will be able to see the installed versions of node in your system. Further, you can see how to uninstall any version from the system. So you need to type the command nvm uninstall with the specific version that you have used for installation. So like here we are removing 14.17.6. So uninstallation is done and we have seen the message. So when you see the list nvm list command, it will show only one version which is existing in the system. Now we are installing one more version to show that how it works. So nvm install 18.12.1. Now you have, after every node version installation, now you have to use it, so you can use it by using nvm use the node version, and you can check the node version by using node minus v and npm version by using npm minus v. So it will show you the versions which are getting used. So I hope this video helps all Windows operating system user to use the node and npm with the help of nvm. So we tried our best to provide you this with the all resources, where we are going to provide the commands in the details and the link to the git repo, so from there you can download the setup nvm-setup.exe. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.